What's one of the biggest reasons a loan will get rejected? Hi, I'm Doessel, founder and CEO of MYCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers, where we get most defaults removed in 30 days and 29.4%, almost a third, in as little as 7 days or less. So what is one of the biggest reasons a loan might get rejected? Well, often people don't even know, but they do this all the time. They go and apply for a loan and the broker will put in all the effort and time to put the loan together, only to find out that after the loan's been submitted, they get declined because of a default they didn't know about. Now that can be prevented too. All you need to do is just to get a credit check done with both Equifax and Illion as a minimum. Equifax and Illion, they used to be known as Vader and Dun & Bradstreet. Get those credit checks done before you apply for finance. And that way it'll protect you from having an avoidable an avoidable decline, because at least if you know there's something wrong with the credit file, you can fix it before you put the application in. I hope that helps, and if you need anything, give us a call on 1300 667 218. That's 1300 667 218. MYCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers. Give us a call, we'll chat about your situation and how easy it is to get fixed. Thanks.